back with another video, and this time I might have brought the milk. You know me, sometimes bring the milk, sometimes not. I did this time because I brought the orange juice. So, today, we're gonna be playing an old game I've had for a while. You're probably wondering what I have in my hand right now. The game is called Let's Go Fishing. And this is supposed to be a fishing rod. So, let me go get the game prepared. And let's do this. Okay, guys. I got the game board here now. Yeah. I'm doing this version because my parents won't let me go to Busch Gardens and play the game in there. Like this fish. Hi, my name is Fishy. It's pretty noisy. So, are you ready to do this? Oh crap. Wait a second. Hey guys. Okay, now I'm back. Let's do this. So we just catch the fishies in the rod when it bites. Okay, that's one right there. Ah. No! Stop moving, fishing rod! You saw nothing. Okay. Get off now! Now. Yeah. Okay. So. Yeah, that's the game. Let me put this away now. before getting away. And here are all the fishies. Also, did you notice the shirt I'm wearing? Yeah, shark, because this is like a fish video. Just gotta have more of that orange juice too. So, I have just one last word for you. Always check the description. I put a lot of different stuff in there. Sometimes I do shout out. If you like a contest where you get a shout out or whatever. So, always check the description. Just saying. And if you're wondering why this video seems a little different from the others, yeah, it's because I have a different, I'm using it on a different computer. Just trying something else out. Red Panda Boy!